Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs. I added fitness to the bunch as well, so make sure y'all check out my video. And of course, I also do wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we gonna be right back.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep.
So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by Divas, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. This is the Bobbi Boss lace first class hair. It is in the style MLF587 in VELENA, and I got it in the color HL360-335. I don't know what I was trying to say, 335. HL360/335. Okay, I am loving this hair, y'all. So this unit does range on Divas' website for $46. The link is in the description box below. But you guys, this is what the stock car is looking like. As you guys can see, I added my own alterations. I'm just, you know, a little tired of these wigs all looking the same from all the collections. Bobbi Boss, Outre, Main Concept, Sensational, and I was like, let me just try to do something a little bit different, and I like it. I did good for my first time cutting some bangs, y'all. I was following a white girl on YouTube and it turned out cute. I like it. I really do like this color, but I was afraid to just play with too much color, y'all. Like, I just didn't want to deal with it, but I am loving this like copper, and it honestly almost smells like clove. I wonder if they dipped the hair in clove or something, you know, to get that bronzy color. That's just me making stuff up, but I smell something. But it has a 5-inch deep parting space. It's an HD transparent lace, a Medi Fresh safe and clean cap, premium synthetic, and yeah, it has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. Y'all, this cap size is on the smaller spectrum. Bobbi Boss, like, we've been making videos for y'all for years and y'all still aren't changing the cap. What's the tea? What's the deal? Like, y'all have something going on with people with big heads? I mean, I can fit it, but I know some of my bigger head girls, they don't, like, you know, typically buy Bobbi Boss because the cap size is always small. Like, what's going on, you guys? But yes, I am loving this color. I'm loving the color blend. I'm loving how it's dark at the roots. So I will say that the combs are right here. I wish they were here because, you know, if I kept the original style, I don't want it flapping in the wind. I don't want to glue down a synthetic wig. Like, y'all, is synthetic. Like, who really wants to do that? And yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, I had to comb through a little bit with my brush, but it's not too bad. Minimal shedding, not too much of the tangling. The texture of the hair is lovely. It's not on the silky side. It's definitely giving Yaki vibes. I'm loving the waves and the curl pattern. The only thing I did was I cut the lace. I went in with my Juvia's Place chocolate palettes, and I went in along the hairline with the dark chocolate color just so the lace could blend in. And I added some bangs on here, and I'm feeling this unit. I am. It's super cute. But other than that, y'all, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Here is the length. It's definitely pretty decent and long. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Hit that subscribe button. It's free to support. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.